Good morning, students. Today we are learning our new chapter number 9, conjunctions. First, we will see what is a conjunctions. Words such as and but are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join together sentence, words, and group of words. Some more examples of conjunctions are or, so, because, if, since, unless, when, until, yet, and although. Example: we can play either basketball or badminton in the games period. Omar was unwell, so he did not go for the picnic. Come on, students, we will see our exercise. Exercise number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. My drawing skill improved because I practice every day. Second, although Karan had eaten his lunch, he was still hungry. Third, I looked in several shops, but I didn't find the type of jeans I wanted. Fourth, as Appa was coming home after a long trip, we made him a card. Fifth, at the camp, we went to bed when the sun set. Sixth, Indu and her sister attend the party. Seventh, the movie was scary, so I kept my eyes closed. Eighth, every day my pet dog waits near the front door until I come home from school. Next one, match the column to make new sentences. First one, we will miss our train if we don't leave now. J. We will join this sentence with J. Raina is excited because her class function is tomorrow. It was very cold, so we decided to stay indoors. John has two brothers and a sister. Would you like orange or some grapes? Atul continued playing after his friends left the park. Do not add the tea leaves until the water begins to boil. Ritu was reading late at night while everyone was asleep. Everyone clapped when Ishan finished the song. I baked a cake but forgot to put any sugar in it. Next, fill in the blanks with conjunction from the box. It was very cloudy, so Neha cried an umbrella. Second, Amina was happy because her cousins were visiting from Chennai. Third, we stood at the counter for a long time, but we were unable to get the tickets. Fourth, the twins had their aunt and said goodbye to her. Fifth, do you want to play a game or watch a movie? Sixth, the children looked happy though they had lost the match. Seventh, you must go outside if you want to see the rainbow. Eighth, Kusum read a magazine while she waited for the train. Next one, accept all relevant response suggestions. First, Bala has been taking sitar lesson and play very well. Second, this is Mrs. Zha and this is her husband. Third, the spectators clapped when their favorite best man came out to bat. Fourth, it was raining heavily, so mummy dropped us to school. Fifth, We can meet at my house or in the park. 6. Although I am tired, I cannot stop reading this exciting book. 8. Although he is not very old, he is very wise for his age. 8. Akbar did not know how to read or write, yet he was one of the greatest emperor of all time. Next exercise. Kriti and Ahan are working in the garden. Either Kriti or Ahan played the sapling. Next, third one. Now Kriti is patting down the mud while Ahan is watering the little plants. Fourth, both the children will look after it well, so the plant is sure to thrive. In this exercise, we will see about Kriti and Ahan. They both are doing some work and we will use a different conjunction in this conversation. So when we want to speak anything, we will use conjunctions. So hope children are clear. I will send you PDF answers also. Goodbye children. Write these answers in your textbook and notebook both.